What's up YouTube, this is Airsoft 24503. We have a review on the CYMA or CM.032A M14 SOCOM. Alright, so first we're going to do the supplies that come in the box.
You should probably say
Oh yeah, this was bought off that airsoft station.com.
besides Airsoft Station.
Alright, so
Is it CYMA?
I already said it.
What is it?
I said CYMA. Alright, so this first comes with a manual. It's actually really good. Well, it's in English. Funny pictures. Alright, so next you get crappy BBs, like in every other gun. Next, you get a 400 round full metal high cap magazine. Next, get an Allen wrench and a winder to wind up your mag quicker. And then we have the gun.
Nice shorts.
Alright, so here, Matt, show me. Oh yeah, then it comes with a battery and a standard, an 8.4 volt battery and a standard wall charger.
Oh
So,
yeah.
this is the gun. It's actually not
SB7.
wood. It's very high quality plastic. It's not gonna break on you unless you go like, boom. Oh yeah. Let's see.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, it comes with a sling. I guess so. Alright, so we'll start from the front to end for metal or plastic.
How do you zoom in?
Alright,
I don't know how to work
these
your
two.
camera. Oh.
Yeah.
Well,
Alright,
dude,
so
I mean, we could have used my camera.
the orange
It is HD.
little cap thing.
That's metal.
Nope, it's plastic. The barrel and this whole part right here is metal. The wood, this is the fake wood. This part only right here is plastic. This is metal, your rail system. The pullback
Or do that one more time.
is metal.
Just do it one more time.
No, I'm not.
I'm zoomed in really close now. Perfect.
On the inside is plastic, that part right there. Just that part. It's the outer shell.
So it's purely for the fun of
The
making
gearbox
sound.
is metal because this is an electric gun. Let's see. The trigger and the trigger guard is metal. The mag release is metal. Oh wait, let me get the mag. You put the mag in like an AK-47 mag. You go like this. And then you have to hear that click. So then, yeah. So the mag I said is metal. The these parts, what are they called?
Sling attachment, I guess?
Yeah, they're metal. The butt stock, whatever you want to call it, is metal. This is also metal. And you open it up. That's where you store your battery. It just fits, so you're not gonna hear any wobbling. The mag that it comes with kind of wobbles, but the other two mags I bought,
The mag
which is $14.50 at Airsoft Station 2. They don't wobble at all. They're a direct fit. So,
How much does the mag hold?
400 rounds, I already said that.
How much FPS does it have?
This gun is 380 to 410 FPS.
Ooh, 410.
This
oh.
gun was $134.95 at Airsoft Station M14Airsoft.com. And FPS doesn't matter about distance. It's how fast it gets.
Man.
And yeah.
Oh, the safety. See, I
Oh,
noticed
yeah,
your
the
finger's
safety.
really close to it, so.
You see it?
Nobody ever cares for the
This
safety.
is the safety. Full. Can't go. Alright,
No
so.
way. Never have. Oh, this garbage can is so lovely. Get back in there. Get down. I'm gonna push you. Push the garbage.
No. No. Ow.
Don't dry fire, fag.
Ow. Ah. Stop.
Get your garbage, man. Get back in there. Garbage eater.
Ah. Shut up. Turn it off. This is an advantage to the gun. Watch how far it shoots. Are you doing it?
Yeah, I'm doing it.
Whoa.
Wait, I want to watch because it might be hard. Probably can't watch it on the video.
You could zoom in. Zoom in on that tree right there. See it? Right there. Yes.
That tree?
Yes. Now watch.
Well, it is hitting. It's going through like the middle section of the tree. If you can't see that, and we are
Alright.
this far out
Stop.
in this little hut.
Bah.
All right, don't shoot. He is about. How many feet do you think that is? 100 feet? Okay, I was gonna say, what's wrong with you? You're really bad, Matt. And we have our little target. I'm gonna just zoom in on this target. Right there. And he will start his shooting test. I'm just gonna do both. I'm gonna like pan the camera. Over now. Hit it! Go! It's perfect! Stop hitting my fence! All those clingings were the fence right there in my pool. I was just showing the clingings. He's taking off his mask. Ah! You might see his face for once. Oh my god. Is that on full auto? Full auto. Full auto M14. Alright, do you want to call that the end?
What?
You want to call that the end? Yeah. Alright. Let's go take a look at el damaje, the damage in Spanish, if that's even correct. Let me zoom out. Alright, so.
Oh, that's pretty sick. It sticks on.
Yeah, I know. Just that's why it's bad when you get grass on it. But pretty much, yeah. See, when eventually it slides down into a little tray. But anyway, pretty much hit pretty close. This is a small target. Pretty much, he was all the way out there you saw before. So hitting this, you're definitely gonna be hitting the person hard. When you buy an M14 Airsoft rifle from
Like this thing.
airsoftstation.com, you receive a nice miniature pink bike. Only $5.99 additional price. Oh, so stylish.
Oh yeah. Yeah, bro.
Dude, I'm getting dizzy.
Oh yeah. What? Yeah, that's what I thought.
Alright, now he is approximately CN 100 feet away, all the way back there. And the target is right there. No, wait. Alright, so you can start. This is 100 feet. This won't. If it falls over, tell me. I'm gonna fix this. I'm gonna fix it. Alright, that's good. Alright, let's check the damage now. 100 feet. Got about 5 shots, pretty much. 1, 2, oops. 3, 4, 5. And originally these are sliding down now, but they were like right over here.
I saw them bouncing off the target too.
I did it.
Alright, so this is where the hopper is. This is actually
Alright.
one of
Stand in front of the garage.
only guns
It's
that
better.
I
It's white.
don't know that
It's white.
in there.
It's better.
Like that it's not in there. It's actually exposed constantly, and it's right there. See
Let me
that?
zoom in.
You just
It's like the wheel.
left
kind
to
of.
right there.
It's like the wheel.
That
Here, wait.
wheel.
Put it up. Alright. Don't move the gun. Don't move it.
And also,
It's like the. Wait, stop. I'm gonna get a good footage. Alright. That wheel thing right there.
and also, you can adjust your sight by seeing it. Yeah, that's to move it left to right. That is to move it up or down. Alright.
Alright, so this tree over here, been eyeballing my gangster ways all day. So I'm about to solve the problem. I'll take this M14 here, I'm gonna show him who's boss. Let's go.